Hello, I'm Deblina Mandal. I belong to the 2022-24 batch. I'm majoring in MIS Analytics with a marketing minor. I recently acquired a position as a senior business consultant with Cognizant Consulting. I'm excited to discuss my journey at IMI Kolkata. The institute has helped me a lot on my path. We attended several sessions delivered by business leaders from IBM, ITC Infotech and RPSG. They gave us advice on how to present ourselves professionally and how to express our ideas clearly. The courses from the British Council fine-tuned our communication skills. Additionally, numerous faculty-led brief recap sessions on tech-related subjects such as Hadoop, Python and Java were held that boosted my tech know-how. These experiences have contributed significantly to my placement in addition to expanding my knowledge. I am grateful for IMI's opportunities, comprehensive education and incredible opportunities.